Collisions of ships is a scary and unfortunate event which no one wants to encounter at sea. However, accidents do take place as a result of human error or other unforeseen circumstances. Several ship accidents have taken place at sea or port, of which, some have been captured on camera by passengers, crew members from other ships or by people working on ports. Check out 15 such ship collision accidents caught on cam below. Captain of a brand new luxury cruise ship Pearl No. 7, crashed into a bridge in Wenzhou, East China's Zhejiang province. The accident left Captain of a brand new luxury cruise ship Pearl No. 7, crashed into a bridge in Wenzhou, East China's Zhejiang province. The accident left 2 of the ship's chimneys damaged and an obvious abrasion on the bridge. No casualty was reported, both on the cruise ship and the bridge. And the traffic across the bridge was not interrupted. The newly built holiday cruise is 158 meters long and 7 stories high. It was towed on the Ojiang River yesterday morning when it hit the Wenzhou Bridge, the local maritime bureau said. The ship was sailing along the Ojiang River that flows underneath the bridge, Wednesday morning. Some witnesses said the main structure of the bridge swayed slightly once when the collision occurred. According to the municipal maritime safety authorities, further assessment and investigation of the bridge damage are underway. In February 2018, the Royal Shipyard Vaduz requested us to assist them with the engineering, procurement, construction and installation (EPCI) of the mechanical piping systems for 3 4,200 dwat self-discharging cement carriers for shipping company Eureka, SMT Shipping located in Cyprus. The vessels were built under new build numbers BO 708, MV Aalborg White, BO 709, MV Kongsdal, and BO 710, MV Norden. The cascos were built at the Ship and Steel Building Yard, SAS, in Foxhall. In February 2018, the Royal Shipyard Vaduz requested us to assist them with the engineering, procurement, construction and installation (EPCI) of the mechanical piping systems for 3 4,200 dwat self-discharging cement carriers for shipping company Eureka, SMT Shipping located in Cyprus. The vessels were built under new build numbers BO 708, MV Aalborg White, BO 709, MV Kongsdal, and BO 710, MV Norden. The cascos were built at the Ship and Steel Building Yard, SAS, in Foxhall. It's estimated that 90% of the world's trade is transported by sea. As consumers, we rarely give much thought to how the things we buy make their way across the planet and into our homes. That is, until an incident like the recent grounding of a huge container ship, the Ever Given, in the Suez Canal exposes the weaknesses in this global system. High winds have been blamed for the container ship blocking the narrow strait, which serves as a trade artery that connects the Mediterranean and the Red Sea. But with shipping so heavily reliant on such narrow channels, the potential for these incidents is ever present. As researchers of maritime security, we often simulate incidents like the Ever Given grounding to understand the probable long and short-term consequences. In fact, the recent event is near identical to something we have been discussing for the last month, as it represents an almost worst-case scenario for the Suez Canal and for knock-on effects on global trade. Container ship aka CIA collided with Gate of Holtenau Lock, Kiel, while leaving Kiel Canal, at 2350 LT February 19, moving at a considerable speed. The ship rammed into the gate and remained stuck. Both ship and gate sustained serious damages. Ship's hull is breached, with water ingress, which complicates salvage operation. Some engine control failure are thought to be the cause of an accident, as of now. As of 0745 UTC February 20th, aka CIA was still in the lock, with salvage operation going on. Aka CIA was en route from Bremerhaven to St. Petersburg, Russia. Traffic is limited, because only one lock is available at the moment. Ships are built so that they can't easily flip over, or capsize. Whether a boat capsizes or not has a lot to do with something called its center of gravity. Sometimes gravity can make things turn and topple over, especially if they are high up and unbalanced. Ships are built so that they can't easily flip over, or capsize. Whether a boat capsizes or not has a lot to do with something called its center of gravity. Sometimes gravity can make things turn and topple over, especially if they are high up and unbalanced. Passengers and crew made a dramatic escape from a capsizing Indonesian ferry Monday in Indonesia. With the ferry listing dangerously, people can be seen climbing down the side of the ship, some even appear to be rappelling, before jumping into the water in the port of Tanjung Perak in East Java. Amazingly, there were no casualties. The ferry became almost fully submerged, below, but the harbor master reported that all 175 passengers and crew successfully evacuated the ship. Ship launch goes horribly wrong. Spot Explorer. $10 million yacht sinks at launch. This NYC ferry crash. Russian cargo ship crashes into bridge in South Korea. Cruise ship crashes into dock and tourist boat in Venice. Brazil bridge collapses after ship collision.